Tempnote T32SU. Single-use temperature data logger. A single click on the Start button will wake up the display. To activate the T32SU logger, press and hold the Start button for 3 seconds. The triangle mark on the display indicates the logger has started successfully. Place the logger in your shipment to record temperature data throughout its journey. Press and hold the Stop button for 3 seconds to stop the T32SU logger. The square mark on the display indicates the logger has stopped successfully. Connect your stopped logger to the computer to get PDF and CSV reports. For more support, email us at tech@tempnote.com.